Yo, what's going on, everybody? Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another video. I'm just gonna go through gold, see what's been happening, see what we last predicted or what we last expected the market to do, see what the market did, and try and find out how we can capitalize on current market conditions and current market price. So this is a screenshot from the 1st of November where we were expecting to buy gold. Uh, we had a high and a low, and this is the daily chart, and we're expecting the price to bounce from this order block and rise up. This is just a screenshot. Again, we then looked at a flip scenario where if the market does not bounce from this zone and break this high going up, if we have a break of this low and a close below, we will be expecting some sort of reversal back into these highs, or have the market leave some sort of order block in here for us to reverse from and go short. So let's just go through some of the screenshots that I took uh, from the 1st of November until now. So what happened is the market did break below our D1 low, which was this low where the cursor is right now, and we did close above. We did have an order block printed right here, these two green candles. So we'll take the high of this bearish candle and the low of this bullish candle and make that our order block, and also take this high into consideration. So from this point on, this was the 10th of November, we're expecting gold to retrace into these highs, into this order block, and then give us a sell to take out this low. Gold then continued lower, breaking another low here. So we are certain now that we're looking for short on gold. Still, we're looking for a pullback into this order block up here to then sell to break or to take profit at this low. Let's go to current price now. So looking at gold right now on a daily time frame, we are expecting the market to retrace into this order block, and once we get into this order block right here, we can look to take shorts on the market. We can look to take gold shorts in this coming week to take out that low, which is if we get an entry, the worst case entry is that, which is a 1:5. Best case entry maybe somewhere in here, up here. Sorry, that's a worst case entry will be 1:3. Best case entry, if we manage to enter the market up here, we could get potentials of 1:8, 1:7, possibly 1:12. So we just have to see what kind of entry we can get up there. Stop loss above the high. There is a possibility. There is a possibility of the market coming above, wicking out, and then going straight down again. So if we do have a wick, or if the market does wick out, we can look to also sell, stop loss above the wick, and still target this low. That's if the market does break above our zone or break above our order block and break above this previous high, and it does not close above but retraces and wicks out, we can look to short gold as well. So according to what I'm looking at, gold has the potential to reach this low in here, and then we can look to see if we can get potential buying pressure at that low. If not, if we break and close below this point on a weekly, we can look to continue selling down. But right now, looking at gold and the current position of the market, coming into this week, we are looking to take some short positions to hold and take out these lows, which could be a very satisfactory trade. So yeah, Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd. Right now, I'm at a point where I'm just trading my system. Um, of course, there are challenges. It's not all perfect. Of course, there's a mental challenge. There's things that still need upgrading and improving, but we're trying. We're just trying the best to keep the system as mechanical as possible and let probabilities take place. If probabilities take place and the system is a profitable system, will always end up winning at the end. One thing to remember, you're not out of the market until you're out of money. So trying as much as possible to stay patient for my setup and preserve my capital the most. Um, I I did manage to analyze my trades from this point, yeah, from around here, which was around, yeah, from around the 1st of April to the 1st of October. I did manage to analyze these trades that I took within this period and now applying the lessons that I learned within this period to the current market price. What I saw was that most of the time when I call a setup, especially on the daily time frame, it works out. It doesn't go immediately because it's a daily time frame. So a lot of patience is involved. But most of the time, my stop loss in its proper location is never touched. Of course, the market might come close to it, but it's never touched. So I need to work on my psychology and holding trades and trusting my system. Um, I also learned that trading on the lower time frame or looking for entries on the lower time frame, let's say if the market is trending, the lowest time frame I can then look for entries is H4, nothing lower than H4. Following the D1 market structure is the best thing. If a market is trending, you can follow the H4. So yeah, those are a couple lessons that I learned, and some also still learning. I also learned that, of course, my trading times are between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. But however, I think that if the market does come into my zone, even on a day that's not a trading day, if it's the last zone, for example, looking at the market here, this is the last zone. So anything in this zone, I would take a trade. But however, if the market was in here and it's not a trading day, I can't take this entry because there's another zone above. So I can take trades on the last zone or the last entry point if the market does come into that zone on any day. Uh, so yeah, let's see what the market holds, but hopefully we're looking for trades Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And let's see what the market has for us. If on Monday there seems to be a good entry, maybe I'll take it. We'll just have to see what the market says. Um, but yeah, it's a learning process. Everything is slow. Everything is boring, as people say trading is sometimes, especially if you're trading on the daily time frame. Uh, I haven't managed to create a system which works on shorter time frames, and as well, I'm not as good on shorter time frames, but still on this daily time frame, we can scale in, we can catch some big moves. So we just have to see what the market has for us. But anyways, Mr. Xauusd, Marcus will probably here, and let's wait for some gold shorts and see what we have going forward.